My name's John McBurney from AJ Baker Refrigeration, and I'm the State Manager for South Australia. At AJ Baker & Sons at South Australian branch, we have a full manufacturing facility. This is all custom-built refrigerator cabinets that will go to any customer that requires anything that's not off the shelf. There's 2,000 square metres of manufacturing facility that's here. We had to overcome the high ambient temperatures that we do get in South Australia, and the best way that we found to be able to come up with that was using the Sealy CW-6S units. We had to find a solution, and the Climate Wizard CW-6S was our solution. Not only create the environment we need here for our workers, but it also, again, created a full 100% air change throughout the whole facility. It maintains a constant level in high ambient temperatures. And with a 2,000 square metre or over 2,000 square metre manufacturing facility, the Climate Wizard is performing to all of its specifications. The benefits we get out of using Climate Wizard would not only assist our staff in their productivity and their well-being, but also benefit the company in the long run with energy efficiency and cost savings.